Hello, this is Jenny from DeFi Mum, and today I am going to look more into yield farming on Zapper. And I've got my husband with me, thankfully.
Hello.
Who can help me a bit. So we did some yield farming last time. Were we buying some sushi token?
Yes. So so there's some confusion, mainly on my part, I would admit. But we, as you can see here on the Zapper interface, so in the last video, we basically bought some sushi and some rat teeth, and it got put into this liquidity pool on SushiSwap. So we basically now have these two tokens. We put them into the liquidity pool, and we got a liquidity pool token in return. So we've got $40 of this sushi ETH liquidity pool. And I thought that doing it through Zapper was also then gonna put that into the yield farming
Into
option.
this here where we got some
So it should,
claimable comp. We thought that this sushi would also show up down here.
Yes. So there's a bit of confusion, and I kind of stupidly thought. I think I probably said it. Maybe we haven't earned anything yet.
All right, we're only new to this, so don't call yourself stupid.
No.
We're only learning.
But at the time, I did think that was wrong. So today we're going to put it right. So what we can do here is using the Zapper feature. So if we go to farm, we can now see that it has a little option here. It's called stake. So basically, what Zapper is doing is it knows we've got this liquidity pool token.
Yeah.
And obviously, it knows that, it tells us that here. That's what we did last time.
Yeah.
But we haven't staked it. So you can see here, because you are providing liquidity and are contributing to the health of the protocol, that just means we're providing our $40 of value is allowing people to swap the tokens. So we are eligible to earn sushi awards. So we are going to be, this is how much we're going to be staking. This is the liquidity pool token amount. So it's very small, obviously, but we have to approve it first. So
now is this going to add more fees? Because we
Yes.
did the transaction we did last time.
It was fairly expensive.
Yeah, it was like 3 gas fees in one, and this
No,
will add
well, that's what I
also.
thought. See, I thought it was expensive because I thought it was multiple gas fees.
Right.
Because I thought it was doing this
Yeah,
in
all
there
in
as well,
one.
but it obviously wasn't.
It
So.
didn't. Okay.
So it was doing multiple things,
Yeah.
but I thought it was doing more things.
Right.
So we're gonna have to go and approve this. So this is for anything on Ethereum blockchain using a new token for the first time through a new DApp. You always have to approve it,
Yeah.
and that's sort of to some degree a security mechanic. So this is saying.
It's still connected to our MetaMask.
Yeah, so we went into
wallet.
this is a MetaMask thing, and it's basically saying, do we trust this interface to spend our tokens? And obviously, if we weren't on Zapper and this came up, we'd be like, no.
Yeah.
So gas fees actually for this kind of thing, it's not doing anything really complicated. So it's not too bad. It's $3.81, and remember this is a maximum, so it might be less than that. So we'll just hit confirm. And we just have to now do the usual thing with Ethereum to wait to see.
And this is then the last thing you have to do. Will there be more? Well, you don't know yet.
I'm not sure.
Right, interesting. That's Wednesday.
Because this is approving that that Zapper can.
No, it's
move
not
our
very.
tokens.
It's not very clear to me, especially if it wasn't very clear to you either.
No.
Why would they do it that way? So that you.
It's just how the kind of code is structured.
Right.
So it may well be that we've just approved something. Normally, you approve something, and then you have to do the thing over again. So that's a confirmed.
Okay.
And so now, we're paying the gas fee to actually have it done. So it's quite a bit more. It's $11 to do that. Let's see. So we approved it first, and now it's staking. Now it's staking the token. So if we, the first time you kind of have a DeFi DApp doing something with a new token, then you always go through this approval process, which is one of the reasons why it's people tend to stick to the DeFi dApps that they're using, because every time they use a new DApp or a new token with a new DApp, that you're paying again. So obviously that gets expensive. At the moment, I'm actually gas fees. See up here, 46 Gwei, which is in the current scheme of things actually not that that expensive.
Right. Oh, 50 now.
Yeah.
Keeps changing. But so if you don't stake it, what did it mean? What we did in the last video, in last time then when we.
So all it meant last time was, for not staking it to get the liquidity,
Yeah.
to get the yield farming. The yield farming gives us extra sushi token.
I see.
So by just having it in the liquidity pool, we are earning, because any time someone basically swaps sushi for ETH or swaps ETH for sushi,
Yeah.
in Sushi Swap, they pay 0.3% fee, and that fee is then given back to the people who have staked
Yeah.
into the liquidity pool. So you get that, and that's the reason people put their money into liquidity pools, because basically you're earning a percentage of the trading fees, a very small amounts, nevertheless. But then the yield farming, as we've discussed before, is this kind of like incentivized kind of bonus thing that the developers of the DApp kind of set up. So as said, let's see here. I was going to say, because they used to have these little, here they are here. So you can see these are all opportunities to earn these fees by locking your tokens into these things.
Yeah.
But not all of them have the little tractor, which means they're incentivized. So it's only certain of these liquidity pools.
That means that only some of them have yield farming.
Yeah,
as an option, right?
Yeah. So it's kind of something that isn't permanent. The developers can kind of switch it off and on.
Yeah. Success.
So it looks like that's gone through. So let's. Okay, there we go. So it's. I don't know what's happened there. I think it's still synchronizing. So it's just.
No, we've got for here. You can see about 4 cents from our compound comp token. Now what we have paid in fees and everything, that will take a long time to get up to anything like that. The more you have put in, the more you would get back.
Yeah. So remember, so we've only got in here, really, the thing that's earning us this comp is $15 a DAI. I mean, we did have that other, we had that, we did have that borrowing as well. Yeah. So that was contributing as well. But basically, it's this that's creating this comp.
Yeah.
So obviously, if you had $14,600 in there, then this would times up by this would be $4 or.
So that would be like a percentage.
Yeah.
And what's the percentage of the sushi?
We'll find out, won't we? I mean, we can see here. So it should tell us the sushi ETH. Is earning 0.5% a week.
Oh, yeah.
Or
but that's changing.
It changes all the time, but that's obviously incredibly good.
Yeah.
And what this is actually, we're getting rewarded in the sushi token, and so it depends on the value of the sushi token. So the sushi token at the moment has been going up in value. So that the percentage of this changes as well on the value of the token. So yeah. So nothing looks like it's changed.
Okay, we might have to do a part 3 of this one.
That is odd. Let's go back here.
Figure out the problem.
Aha. So this is changed up here. So you can now see right.
Right. So where are we now?
Okay.
You went into farm on the.
Yes.
Menu
This is in farm up here. So
right.
So this is our asset. This is $40.
Yeah. Claim reward.
This is its estimate that we're earning 10. So this is actually really good. We put $40 in, and the current rate we're earning, it reckons we're going to earn 10. Yeah. So we're going to earn 20 cents a week, and compared to we've got more money in this one than the compound one, but the compound one is basically we've earned 4 cents in 3 weeks or something.
Yes.
So this one is obviously much better. Now again, with all these things, you don't get those. You did with the rewards we get for liquidity pools, we just get that automatically. That's just an inherent part of the system. So we don't have to go and claim those. They just are like natural, like interest, the interest rate.
Yeah.
This is like a special thing that the app developer kind of gives us, or sets it up. So we have to go and claim it if we want to. So obviously, at the moment, so you can see this is how much we've earned already. So we've earned like a tiny amount of sushi.
Yeah.
But obviously, we're going to have to pay a gas
fee to get the coupon.
So I think one sushi at the moment is about $5 or $6.
Right.
So you're probably going to have to, for the gas fee wise, you're probably going to have to earn. Let's see what it says. Yeah, so you're probably going to have to earn 2 sushi to even cover the gas fee. So again, we're not doing this. We're not doing this in an economic way.
No.
We're doing it to understand how it works.
Yeah.
So.
But it's odd it doesn't show it here on yield farming.
Yeah, I don't know why that is. Yeah. I mean, that's just a kind of a. I mean, this is just an interface thing. So this is just how they kind of show this.
Yeah.
I don't quite know why. It may just be a kind of synchronization thing.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Sometimes you should refresh it. No, it's not showing. Okay, that's fine. Just.
Right, okay. We might have to do another part of this when we've figured more things out, when we learnt more, I guess. So to be continued. If you've got any questions, please just post them in the comments below, and also check out the other videos on DeFi Mum. Thank you very much, and see you soon.